Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to install and recover Phantom Wallet. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Google Play Store or App Store, and in the search bar, you simply need to search for Phantom Wallet. Now once you have found Phantom Wallet, you simply need to tap on the install button, and then you just have to wait for some time until it is installing in your device. Now once it is installed successfully, you just have to tap on the open button, and then you will be redirected on the welcome page of Phantom Wallet. Now over here, in order to recover your Phantom Wallet, between these two options you need to tap on export an existing wallet. Then you can enable the device authentication if you want to. For that, you just have to turn this toggle button on right next to this option, and then you just have to provide your fingerprints. If you don't want to do it, then you just have to turn the toggle button off and you need to keep it as it is. Then you need to press the next button in the bottom. Afterwards, you will be landed on this import a wallet page, where you are going to see three different options in order to recover your Phantom Wallet. The first is of import secret recovery phrase. So if you have the secret recovery phrase, then you can select the second option. If you have the private key associated with your Phantom account, then select the second option. Or if you want to connect your hardware wallet with it, then select the third option. Let's say you have selected the first option. So over here you need to provide the 12 to 24 words of secret recovery phrase. Afterwards, you need to tap on this import secret phrase option in the bottom. Once done, it will show you that it is importing your account. So you just have to tap on the continue button in the bottom. Then you just have to agree to the terms and conditions and press the get started button. Afterwards, it will ask you whether you want to get instant updates or not. So if you want, then tap on the enable button, or if not, then tap on the note now button. This way you will be able to recover your Phantom Wallet. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.